From the live view screen on the app, right below the camera, tap the Playback button. In the Playback section, you will find a series of buttons and tools to use to view recordings of cameras. Playback will start at midnight of the current date and will be accessible to the current timeline of day. To view another day, go to the Calendar button located just above the timeline. Now the calendar is available. Each day that the camera system has recorded will be represented with a dot underneath the date. Select the desired date you wish to view footage. Once selected, hit the Close button. Now that the desired day has been selected, using the timeline below, swipe left or right to narrow down the time you wish to view. If you need to be more precise, use two fingers in a pinching fashion to zoom in and out on the timeline to view a specific time. If you wish to only view one camera, double tap on the desired camera. If you wish to search for a specific event type, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the Search button. Select or deselect the types of events. This will allow you to scroll through the timeline and find a specific event. Using the pause, play, forward, and reverse options to help narrow down the time of the event. Now that the correct event and time is selected, hit pause. On the bottom of the screen, you will see a snapshot and record button. Snapshot will take a screenshot, which is helpful to identify something like a face or license plate. The record option lets you take a video of your timeline. To use this, go to the start of an event, pause playback, and then hit the record button. Recording started will appear at the bottom of the screen. Hit play and let the timeline play through. Once you've reached a point that you want to stop recording, hit the record button again. You should see Save Success at the bottom. Both snapshots and recordings are saved to the NVR. In order to download to your device to send or share, go back to the main screen. Select the three lines button at the top, and then select File List. Select the check mark beside the snapshot or recording you wish to download. Once selected, go to the bottom of the screen and tap the Download button. The files are now saved to your device.